Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone and hello my friend. I am Wiki Malzis as moderator. Today we will presentation or discussion about past continuous tense. Before presentation, I will introduce my member group. First, Francisca Regi Reviana, Nelsa Maharani Putri, Sinta Febriasni, and me Wiki Malzis. For the first presentation is Francisca Regi Reviana. Siska, is your turn.
Thank you for moderator for the times. I will explain about definition of past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is a tense form used to express that an action is taking place for a certain time in the past. This form indicates that the action occurred before, began before, during was in progress during, and might continued after time or other action that occur in the past. Past continuous tense formula. The past continuous tense is formed with the auxiliary verb be, which is was or were because. The past tense happened in the past, and the present participle, which was for the singular pronoun, such as I, she, he, and it, except for you. And the other hand, where which is a plural verb used in. Plural pronouns such as you, they, we, and cats, and you. Example of sentence. To make seem he theory above, you can see. Example of sentence that use the past continuous tense to make it even more precise in its use. 1. Sentence that have basic functions. I was work all day last Sunday. 2. Past continuous tense plus simple past tense. I was sleeping when you come to my house for day. 3. Past continuous tense. She was sleeping even her car was stolen last night. 4. Irritation. She was always coming late for meeting. 5. Question. I was wondering if you could give me some drive. 6. Active voice. She was cleaning her house when I came. And 7. Passive voice. Her house were being cleaned when I came. So I returned to material from me to the moderator.
Thank you to Siska for delivering material about definition of past continuous tense and example sentence. The next material will be explained by Nelsa Maharani Putri. Nelsa, is your turn.
Thank you to moderator for the time. I will explain about formula, function, and example of past continuous tense sentence. The formula for the past continuous tense. For positive sentence, subject plus be, was or were, plus present participle or ing. Example, he was sleeping. The people were waiting. For negative sentence, subject plus be, was or were, plus not, plus present participle or ing. Example, he was not sleeping. The people were not waiting. For interrogative sentence, be, was or were, plus subject, plus present participle or ing. Example, was he sleeping? Were the people waiting? Function and example of past continuous tense. 1. Past continuous tense to indicate an action that occurred during a certain moment in the past. Time expression that can be used in cloud. At this time yesterday. At this time yesterday. At this time last night. At 5 a.m. this morning. At 5 o'clock this morning. all day yesterday, all day yesterday. In February, in February. Example of past continuous tense. I was shopping at this time yesterday. What was she doing at 5 a.m. this morning? They were roasting corn at this time last night. I was doing physically exercise all day yesterday. In February, she was working as a waitress in a well-known restaurant. Two, this tense is to show that there is a short duration action, simple past tense, that occur when long duration action, past continuous tense, is in progress. The subordinate conjunction while and when can be used with the following formulation. Simple past tense plus while plus past continuous tense. While he was sleeping, when he was sleeping. While they were partying, when they were partying. While I was reading, when I am reading a book. Past continuous tense plus when plus simple past tense. When I got home, when I get home. When he opened the door, when he opened. When you called his, when you called his. For example, the door was knocked while I was reading a book. My mother was cleaning the carpet when I got home. She was sleeping when you called her. So, I returned the material from me to the moderator.
Thank you to Nelsa to delivering about your material. The next material will be explained by Sinta Febriasni. Sinta, is your turn.
Thank you to moderator for the time. I will continue the presentation from Nisa. The third, the past continuous tense is used to talk about something that happens repeatedly. The intervals are random but are actually a natural habit. This tense is sometimes used to criticize an action. For example of past continuous tense sentence, first, I was repeatedly checking things. Second, the girl was always yelling out loud. Third, my neighbor was always chasing stray cats off with his broom. Fourth, the past continuous tense is used verb that indicate change or development, such as grow up, improve, go, and change. For example of past continuous tense sentence. First, his hair was going so thin. 2, my life was changing rapidly. For the next material is past continuous tense characteristic. The characteristic of the past continuous tense are as follows. The predicate of the sentence is in this tense always consists of the of to be were or was present participle. Example sentence. The boys were playing soccer in the field, or little boy playing soccer in the field. Time signal. The time signal is often used in the past continuous tense. Example for adverb of time such as today, the meaning of hari ini, as the meaning of sewaktu, all day yesterday, the meaning of sepanjang hari kemarin, while the meaning of selagi, the whole yesterday, the meaning of kemarin lusa, and the whole day last week, the meaning of sepanjang hari minggu lalu. In compiling or making a sentence, you should look at the sentence continuous, like the formula below. First, when plus simple past plus past continuous, or when plus past continuous plus simple past. Second, while or as plus past continuous plus simple past. And last, past continuous plus when or while or as plus fitting continuous. So I return the material from me to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Sinta to delivering about your material. And the last material about benefit of learning English tense will be explained by me. They hone the ability to pronounce sentence in English properly and correctly. You can make sentence diligently or hone your ability to use English tense will make you smarter in expressing things that have happened in the past by using the right sentence structure, especially if you are going to continue your study abroad. In addition, by learning to use the formula found in past tense sentence, you can find out when an event might occur. Understanding this will make it easy for you to communicate. Expressing this sentence is not only in the verbal form, but also in the written form. Correct and precise writing can support you if you want to work for a company. For example, by making a journal, newspaper, research report, and being able to understand if there is an official letter that comes using English sentence. The past continuous tense sentence can be very helpful for expressing sentence, both questioning and active voice. Okay, the last slide is source from group 5 about material past continuous tense. Okay, everyone and my friend, that's the presentation from group 5 about past continuous tense. If there have a wrong and mistake, we apologize and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.